Enter Grafana.com to enter the official website. Click Downloads in the upper right corner and log into your account first. Jump to the download interface. Select Linux on ARM64. Click widget h//dl.grafana_release/grafana_12.0.1+security-01_arm64.deb and download the installation package. Import the downloaded installation package into BL410. Enter ls to check whether the installation is successful. Enter apt-get install-y add user lib font config 1 muzzle to install the required environment. Enter the pkg-i Grafana xxx ARM64.deb to install Grafana. Enter system control start Grafana server to start the Grafana server. Enter system control enable Grafana server to start the server automatically. Enter system control status Grafana server to check whether it is started successfully. Open the browser and enter device IP:3000 to enter the Grafana login interface. Enter the username, admin, password, admin to enter the password modification interface. After changing the password, the Grafana installation is completed.